Hey guys, these are the appliance wipes for seal and surface from Active. Comes with 24 wipes, they're 10 by 8. Really nice and effective to use. You can use them to clean almost every surface in your home. What's really nice about these is they actually, when you use them, they're streak free. They remove grease stains, food, grime, residue, and more from kitchen surfaces, bathroom fixtures, walls, ceilings, even garage and automotive. You can use them as a spot cleaners or long active cleaning products such as appliance cleaning to scaling tablets. I'm going to go ahead and use it in my washer as well. Oh wow, look at the result.